guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm hungry. Let's go eat. So what I have here is a crunchy vegetable tacos. Vegetable tacos. Guys, and of course I have on the sides, I have a sweet potato cauliflower tots. And I got some drinks, cranberry drinks. I'm so excited. Let's go eat. And I got some coffee. And I have some cheese dip. That's queso blanco. Queso blanco. Queso blanco. Let's go eat, guys. I'm hungry. We'll try our crunchy taco. And of course, I got some cheese up there. And of course, plus more cheese. Bam! More cheese. Who doesn't like cheese? Oh yay. Wow. This is good, guys. Wow. Did you hear that, guys? Oh my goodness. And this is a homemade mixtures, guys. This is a black beans corn. I got some avocado lettuce, cheese. Yeah. And the crunchy taco shell. So good. Let's drink. Well, it's cold. Cranberry. Oh, this is good. Wow. Let's try our sweet potato cauliflower. This is so good. Good. That is good. Oh my gosh. This is really good. It's messy, but it's a good messy. Wow. This is one of the best tacos I've ever made. I'll use this as a scoop. Scoop! There you go. good. Finished. Wow. Those are good, guys. Wow. That's one of the best that I've ever made. You know, oh, those are good. I finished three plus the size of sweet potato cauliflower tots. Wow. Hang on. Well, thank you very much, guys. I hope that you like my video today, and I hope that you enjoy eating with me. Food is good. Excuse me. And thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated every time we upload a new video. And of course, guys, you know what? We got a join button. So if you are interested in on joining our amazing family, click the join button, and then you know, so you will be part of our beautiful community, and it will help also our channel. So hopefully once our channel grow, then we can help a lot of people, especially the children and the elderly. And I hope, guys, that you help me out to grow our channel together. And don't forget also to visit my new channel, Indie TV. And those are just a good vibes, personal, day-to-day craziness channel, Indie TV. And of course, don't forget also to subscribe up there, guys. Indie TV and Syrup Kitchen USA. And thank you so much, guys. I'm gonna see you later. Bye.